Yo. Okay, so there's a guy that came into the fidget scene way after I did. Probably about 8 months after I did or something. Named Jeremy Campbell. And he hit the ground running. Like, I remember when he was asking me, like, newbie questions, and then, like, his, like, collection's way better than mine. He started making some fidgets. He came out with a fidget line called Impulse Design. He's got an Etsy page, and he's also got a Facebook page. But he's, like, one of the main people in all of the posts everywhere. Like, he's very active. So he sent me 2 of his new designs, which is called the Snap Card. I believe there's a bronze and then a mossy green, and they're 3D printed. I'm going to review them, and then I'm going to send them over to Kyle and Gavin to review. So, I've heard a lot of good things about the Snap Card. It's very interesting. Look at that light, dude. It's like aliens beaming me up or something. Okay. Ooh. It's a little baggy. Okay. Wow, they're heavy. Okay. The lighting is not so good. I'm gonna turn it around. So this is the mossy. I like that one. And then here's the bronze, which this is metal infused filament. So how is this supposed to work? Oh, I see. There's magnetic balls inside. Oh, I kind of like the fact that you can actually push it all the way through. Oh, yeah. Okay, let me see the heavy one. Ooh. Way different. Way different. These are definitely stronger magnets. Okay, hold on. Let me turn the camera around. Yo. Okay, so here's the mossy green one. Actually feels really nice. There's a lot of texture to it, which I can appreciate. And it feels, even the one that's smoother, feels like construction paper almost. Wonder why there's a hole. I wonder for Lanny. So you can see what's inside. There's 2 balls. I wonder if the inside of this one is different. Oh! 2 balls. Okay, so they both have the same. So 2 balls, 1 ball. What I like about this is it's a type of fidget that you potentially have to move around from up to bottom and circulate it, but you don't actually have to. You could do it one-handed. This one feels completely different. It weighs like twice as much. This one I would probably say it's way better for hardcore people. Strong hands. It's way harder to push. Okay. All right, yeah, I'm partial to this one. I like this one. Okay, so this one, I'm gonna go into it a little bit more, but this is $40 on Etsy and this is $45, and it's because it's got that metal infused filament. This is heavy as fuck. This might be more than twice as heavy as the other one. This I'm actually, let me zoom out a little bit here. This I'm actually liking a hell of a lot. I like this one a lot. It's easy to use. You can do it one-handed, left hand. It's got a nice little thumb nodule here. This one though, really hard to use. Like the magnets seem like they're way stronger. Maybe it's because it's a metal filament and it's heavy. I know some people who are gonna like that one, but this one, this is what I would actually recommend this. It's super, super easy to use, light, pocketable. I love the color too. You know, I'm a sucker for green. It's my favorite color, and I like the pop. And then I also like the fact that you can completely take it apart. You know, I know that when I first started getting into this, I had, there was a, I forgot the name of the Fidget, but it had ends. Maybe that's what these are for. To put like zip ties or something. Zip ties. You put something on the ends to stop it from going all the way through, but I actually like that part. I think it's part of the fidgeting, you know? Look at that, look how easy it is. I love it, I love this. I love this one. I don't really love this one. But I will say that the clicks are way, way, way stronger for this one. So if you really like high feedback, lots of resistance. Oh, you know what? Am I gonna ruin these? Oh God, these. Should I mix and match? Oh. Holy shit. Yeah, this sucks. The middle. Oh, okay, yeah, don't do that, folks. This one slides really easily. This must be fatter. Looks like it might need a little bit. Oh, look. This might be this hole might need to be a little bit bigger. Oh. Okay. Yeah. So I would say I would recommend the mossy green. Feels amazing. Easy to use. Sounds great. Feels good in your hand. And it's $5 cheaper than the other one. I love it. I actually think I'm going to get this one. It's just so interesting. I don't know why. It's like addictive. I don't know why. I don't know why. I really like it. So anyway, so Snap Click by Impulse EDC or Impulse Design, and they have a store on Etsy. So I'm gonna send these, like I said, over to Kyle and Gavin for review. All right, thank you guys for watching.